There is a Japanese maintenance concept that takes only a few minutes, done consistently, and can make engines last several times longer than average. It sounds exaggerated, but this philosophy has been studied for decades by Japanese automotive engineers and is deeply tied to how they approach preventive maintenance. In Japan, this is not treated as an internet tip, it is closer to a technical ritual. Today, on AutoJ World, you're going to understand this method step by step, along with other practices that experienced mechanics apply quietly in their daily routine, but almost never explain to the general public. If your car has already passed 30,000 miles, what you are about to see can literally prevent premature and very expensive wear. And the most important technique is saved for the end of the video. Number 13. Idle speed verification at every oil change. Japanese engineers realized something that is often ignored in the United States. Idle speed is one of the most accurate indicators of an engine's internal health. In Japanese workshops, every oil change includes a simple but extremely precise procedure that takes about 3 minutes and can anticipate up to 90% of future engine problems. With the engine fully warmed up right after the oil change, the mechanic connects a high-precision digital tachometer and observes idle behavior for exactly 60 seconds. A healthy engine holds steady between roughly 650 and 800 revolutions per minute with no visible fluctuation. The moment even a small variation appears, the issue is investigated before progressive damage begins. Slight oscillations usually point to carbon buildup on the intake valves. Idle above 800 revolutions per minute typically indicates a vacuum leak, often caused by cracked or hardened hoses, something very common in the US due to heat and ethanol-blended fuel. Idle below 650 revolutions per minute often signals partially clogged fuel injectors. In Japan, this simple check prevents unnecessary replacement of expensive sensors and fuel system components. The logic is straightforward. If the engine cannot maintain a perfectly stable idle, a basic mechanical or airflow condition is already compromised and must be corrected immediately. Toyota and Honda owners in Japan routinely report engines running flawlessly past 300,000 miles precisely because this procedure is performed religiously at every oil change. It is pure prevention, almost zero cost, and it saves thousands of dollars in repairs over the life of the vehicle. But if this sounds basic, the next procedure is even more overlooked outside Asia. Number 12. Throttle body relearn every 6,000 miles. This is a procedure most American mechanics were never trained to perform. Modern engine control units constantly learn and store driver throttle input patterns. Over time, wear, dirt, and inconsistent driving conditions distort these learned values, causing sluggish throttle response, higher fuel consumption, and uneven acceleration that many drivers assume is just the car getting old. Japanese technicians reset and relearn the electronic throttle at intervals of about 6,000 miles, restoring factory-calibrated behavior. The process takes around 5 minutes but can completely change how the car feels. The engine must be completely cold. The ignition is turned on without starting the engine. After 2 seconds, the accelerator pedal is fully pressed and released 5 times within 10 seconds. Then the pedal is left untouched for 7 seconds. After that, the accelerator is pressed fully again and held down for about 20 seconds until the check engine light begins to blink, confirming the relearn process. Real-world tests show immediate improvement in throttle response, fuel economy gains between 5 and 8%, and elimination of hesitation during smooth acceleration. Manufacturers like Toyota and Nissan officially acknowledge this procedure, yet most owners in the US have never heard of it. This is free preventive maintenance that keeps electronic engine management working correctly for the entire lifespan of the motor. Number 11. Idle air control valve cleaning every 2 months. Here we reach one of the most neglected but critical components for engine longevity, especially for vehicles driven in heavy city traffic. The idle air control valve regulates airflow at idle, compensating for electrical load, temperature changes, and air conditioning use. Over time, microscopic carbon deposits accumulate and gradually destabilize idle speed. Japanese workshops clean this valve every 2 months without exception. The procedure is simple but must be done carefully. The valve, usually mounted on or near the throttle body, is removed after disconnecting the electrical connector. A dedicated intake or throttle cleaner spray is applied inside the valve for about 30 seconds, dissolving carbon deposits completely. The mounting surface is also cleaned using a soft bristle brush. After a few minutes of evaporation, the valve is reinstalled using the correct torque. In many documented cases, this simple cleaning permanently resolved idle issues that American shops attempted to fix by replacing costly sensors unnecessarily. The cost is minimal. One can of cleaner lasts for multiple services, and the return is a stable idle, faster cold starts, and elimination of air-fuel mixture faults. Number 10. Dual-stage oil filtration during oil changes. Japanese mechanics discovered that a standard oil change leaves roughly 10 to 15% of the old oil trapped inside the engine, stuck in galleries, valve assemblies, and areas that gravity draining cannot reach. When new oil is added, it becomes contaminated immediately. The Japanese solution involves a pre-cleaning stage before the official oil change. About 30 minutes before draining, a specific detergent additive is introduced into the old oil. The engine runs for around 15 minutes, allowing the additive to dissolve internal deposits without harming seals or gaskets. This oil is then fully drained. Next, a temporary filter is installed to capture remaining particles. Only after this step is the engine filled with high-quality fresh oil and the final oil filter. The result is genuinely clean oil from the first mile of the interval. There are documented Toyota engines exceeding 600,000 miles with minimal internal wear thanks to this exact method. But oil cleanliness is only part of the Japanese philosophy. Number 9. Complete coolant replacement and system purge every 25,000 miles. This is something many U.S. repair shops still underestimate. Engine coolant is not permanent. Over time, it undergoes chemical degradation and loses its anti-corrosion properties. Laboratory analysis in Japan shows that after about 25,000 miles, coolant begins forming microscopic acidic compounds that attack radiators, water pumps, and internal engine passages. This damage is invisible from the outside, but extremely aggressive internally. The Japanese purge process goes far beyond simply draining and refilling. First, all old coolant is removed. The system is then filled with distilled water and a specific chemical neutralizer. The engine runs for about 20 minutes with the heater on full, ensuring complete circulation through the heater core and block. After draining again, a second flush with only distilled water is performed for another 15 minutes. Only then is the system filled with high-quality coolant mixed at a precise 50-50 ratio with demineralized water. This guarantees that no acidic residue remains inside the system, dramatically extending engine life. And if everything so far sounds excessive, the next procedure is even more surprising, and almost no one outside Japan knows it exists. Number 8. Protect the cooling system. Engines almost never die because of old oil. They die from excess heat. A single 5-minute overheating event is enough to warp an aluminum cylinder head or blow a head gasket, creating repair bills that easily reach several $1,000s in the United States. On a Toyota RAV4, for example, a head gasket replacement can exceed $4,000 to $5,000, while a complete cylinder head replacement can climb well past $7,000. What makes this more dangerous is that these failures almost always start with something small, like a weakened radiator cap or a dried-out hose. Coolant is not just colored water. It is a chemical solution designed to remove heat from the engine block and resist boiling. And here is the critical factor: pressure. Every 1 psi of pressure raises the boiling point of coolant by roughly 3 degrees Fahrenheit. With a healthy radiator cap rated around 15 psi, the system can operate safely near 265 degrees Fahrenheit. Lose that pressure, and the coolant can boil around 230 degrees, exactly where hot spots form and destroy head gaskets. In Japan, this is non-negotiable. Mandatory inspections check for leaks, hose condition, and radiator cap integrity. Preventive replacements cost very little and keep engines alive for decades. Number 7. Install a magnetic drain plug. A simple, low-cost magnet can protect an engine worth thousands of dollars. A magnetic drain plug sits at the lowest point of the oil pan and captures iron and steel particles before they circulate through the engine, wearing bearings, rings, and journals. That gray paste you sometimes see during oil changes is proof that it works. It is microscopic metal dust that, without a magnet, acts like liquid sandpaper inside the engine. Not everything is captured. Aluminum from pistons or copper from bearings will pass through, but the magnet traps the hardest offenders, such as steel from timing chains, rings, and shafts. Many of these particles are only a few microns in size, too small for most oil filters, yet large enough to slowly open up internal clearances. Japanese engineers understand this well, which is why Toyota and Subaru use factory magnets in transmissions and differentials. The hidden bonus is early diagnosis. A normal buildup is expected, but flakes or larger fragments signal serious wear. For the price of a cheap meal, every oil change becomes a full engine health check. Number 6. Replace oxygen sensors around 100,000 miles. A tired oxygen sensor drains money silently. When the upstream sensor slows down, the engine runs rich. Fuel consumption increases by 5 to 10%, and the catalytic converter begins to overheat until it eventually fails. A new oxygen sensor costs a fraction of what a catalytic converter costs, which in the US can easily exceed $2,000. This small component constantly tells the engine computer how much oxygen is present in the exhaust gases. Modern sensors adjust the air-fuel mixture thousands of times per minute. With age, typically between 80,000 and 100,000 miles, the signal becomes slow and inaccurate. The ECU compensates until it no longer can, dumping excess fuel into the engine. A rich mixture not only wastes fuel, it sends raw gasoline into the catalytic converter, pushing temperatures into a destructive range. The smart approach is simple. When long-term fuel trims rise or fuel economy drops without explanation, replace the sensor. It is a controlled cost that protects the catalyst and keeps combustion efficient for years. Number 5. Take long drives weekly. Short trips are silent enemies of engines. The oil warms enough to fool the temperature gauge, but it never reaches the roughly 212 degrees Fahrenheit needed to evaporate water and fuel vapors. This mixture turns into acids and sludge, the milky residue mechanics dread seeing under the oil cap. The exhaust system suffers the same fate. Every combustion event produces water, and on short trips it condenses inside the muffler, corroding it from the inside out. Exhaust manufacturers confirm this dramatically shortens service life. The battery also pays the price. Every start drains energy, and short trips do not allow full recharging. Japanese battery manufacturers show that chronic undercharging accelerates sulfation and can cut battery life in half. One single 30-minute highway drive per week is enough to dry the oil, clear the exhaust, and fully recharge the battery. It is free protection for the entire vehicle. Number 4. Replace air and fuel filters before the official interval. Your engine consumes massive volumes of air. Roughly 9,000 liters of air for every liter of fuel burned. If that air carries dust, the mass airflow sensor begins to lose accuracy. Misfires, rough idle, and common fault codes follow. A new sensor is expensive, while a filter is cheap. The same logic applies to fuel. Modern pumps and injectors operate with microscopic tolerances. A nearly invisible particle can score a diesel injector or seize a gasoline high-pressure pump. Repairs can exceed $3,000. Global filtration companies warn that water in fuel is extremely destructive, stripping lubrication and causing internal corrosion. Japanese fleets, especially taxis, replace filters early, particularly in dusty environments or where fuel quality varies. It is simple, inexpensive, and extremely effective. Number 3. Use high-quality fuel. Laboratory testing has shown that within just a few thousand miles, low-quality fuel can leave up to 19 times more deposits on intake valves than premium detergent fuels. This buildup restricts airflow, distorts injector spray patterns, and reduces engine efficiency. The price difference per gallon is minimal. This is not about octane rating, but about detergency. Automakers created stricter fuel standards specifically to protect injectors, valves, and combustion chambers. Direct injection engines are especially sensitive, since injector openings are thinner than a human hair. A small amount of varnish is enough to alter spray patterns. Studies show that simply switching to better quality fuel can gradually remove a large portion of these deposits. The yearly extra cost is insignificant compared to the price of valve cleaning or injector replacement. Number 2. Avoid aggressive driving. Hard acceleration and heavy braking increase fuel consumption by 10 to 40% and convert energy into heat in brakes and tires. This drastically shortens the life of pads, rotors, and tires. A brake set designed to last 30,000 miles can wear out 20% sooner purely due to driving style. Japanese taxi drivers prove the opposite. Smooth starts and early deceleration keep vehicles running past 250,000 miles with far less wear. Eco-driving programs in Japan recorded average fuel savings of nearly 20% after adopting these habits. Looking further ahead in traffic and easing off the throttle earlier costs nothing and saves a lot. Number 1. Use genuine or original equipment parts. A cheap part can destroy an expensive engine. That is why Japanese mechanics strongly defend genuine parts. This is not marketing, it is mechanical survival. A car is a calibrated system. Springs, sensors, sealing materials, and electrical curves are designed to work together. An aftermarket part may fit physically but operate outside specifications and trigger a chain of failures. Generic sensors, for example, can alter readings and throw off fuel mixture, damaging fuel economy and catalytic converters. Even fluids are part of the design. Using oil or coolant outside factory specification can cause vibrations, premature wear, and serious failures. Japanese fleets understand that saving a little now almost always creates a much larger bill later. Original parts keep vehicles reliable for far longer.